Once upon a time in not so far away land of ovaries lived thousands of eggs. Amid those eggs, there was one egg that stood out. Her name is Oven. She had a haploid nucleus containing half of the number of chromosomes so that it can combine with the sperm. The jelly-like coat cover in it will turn rough after fertilization to prevent the entering of other sperms. The cytoplasm containing a store of energy will be used after fertilization. As time passed over, she came to the day of ovulation, the day when ovum have to be sent out of the ovary gland. She was sent out from the ovary gland and need to wait there for her prince sperm. She knew that if the prince doesn't come, she will be swept away in the bloodbath. The prince sperm has a haploid nucleus to enable it to swing to the princess egg. There are enzymes in the head of the sperm called acrosome to help it digest through the jelly coat and the cell membrane of the egg cell. Furthermore, the mitochondria in it provide energy, so the tail of the sperm called flagellum can move back and forth to reach his princess.
Here we are going to introduce the structure of the female reproductive organs. The part I'm doing now is the uterus. This has very thick walls made of muscle. It is quite small, only about the size of a clenched fist, but it can stretch a great deal when a woman is pregnant. The red part that I'm drawing now is the uterus wall. At the base of the uterus, there is a narrow opening guarded by muscles. This is the neck of the uterus, or called cervix. It leads to the vagina, which opens to the outside. In here, we need to mention a process called ejaculation, which is the process when the sperm are squeezed along out of the man's urethra and into the woman's vagina. The fluid contains the sperm is called semen. Ejaculation deposits the semen at the top of the vagina. However, the sperm cannot pass through the cervix directly, as the cervix secretes mucus, which can trap the sperm and stop them from entering the uterus. The green part I'm drawing now is actually cervical mucus, which is actually a gel-like fluid secreted by the cervix. Some sperm can make it through the cervix and enter the uterus. However, the journey of the sperm is not always smooth. As woman's body is not always familiar with the sperm, the immune system of the woman will see the sperm as an alien. Therefore, they will send the white blood cell to engulf the sperm. The white blood cell is drawn as the blue part that I'm drawing now. At the same time, there is some movement with the egg. The yellow part I'm drawing now is actually the oviduct, from which the egg will come out. The orange ball I'm drawing now is actually the egg cell, and there are some cilia in the oviduct, which can help to swap the egg to the uterus. Only the strongest and fastest sperm can make it to the oviduct and meet with the egg.
They make contact with each other, and this marriage is called fertilization, which produces zygote. The zygote moved to the warmth of the uterus, and 9 months later, it came to the baby that everybody is waiting for.